Hey there guys, Abners Reviews here, and today we are checking out the INTEX Crystal Clear C1500 filter pump. Oh yeah! Here's what we got from the box. We have two hoses included. These are around 3 meters each. We have our main INTEX pump. So this is the Crystal Clear C1500 filter pump. So compared to the one we have previously installed on our above ground pool, which is 1,000 gallons per hour, this one is an upgrade since this one would be 1,500 gallons per hour in terms of the flow rate. So this our plug here is 3-prong. We have our dedicated timer for this particular filter pump. So the timer is on this side. So you can choose between 1 to 12 hours on how long your filter pump would run on a daily basis. A Type A filter cartridge. Here's our seal, which does have a big white O-ring to keep that tight seal really good on our filter pump. We also have O-rings on this release valve. Aside from the release valve up here, we also have one more release valve down here, so that if we have debris and dirt inside here, we can let it out directly from this release valve. And one last thing on this box. So this is included adjustable valve, which we could use on our above ground pool. This one does come with this feature here. So this is used on the return valve. You can adjust this part here on where you want the direction of the water to come in to your above ground pool. This is geared to be used on a bigger pool with bigger holes. So we currently have a 1.25 inches inlet and outlet ports on our above ground pool. I'm not sure if we would be able to use this one, but we are going to check. And that is all we got from our box. So let's go, join us, and let us install our upgraded filter pump.